I'm pleased to announce that we have entered our 25th year in business this year in 2019, and thank all of you for standing by us through thick and thin. We have come this far with the support of our mentors, well wishers, friends, and even our competitors who often challenged us to surpass and excel. We at Tornos are always proud of our team that has a common philosophy to serve with passion, thus providing us an edge over others. At this juncture, I would also acknowledge the efforts of those team members who may not be with us today but have contributed immensely to our journey this far. Throughout the year 2019-20, we have a lot coming up as a part of our 25th year celebration. Keep following our website tornosindia.com and our social media pages on Facebook and Twitter at Tornos India. At 25, we at Tornos count our blessings and continue our journey with you.